It takes just 2 minutes to buy Gasp via Arbitrum on the Gasp DEX. First, we'll start by connecting our wallet and depositing USDC or USDT on Arbitrum. In our example, our wallet is already connected. Select Arbitrum from the list of networks, then select USDT or USDC from the list of available tokens. Enter the amount you'd like to deposit from your available funds. If you haven't already, switch to the Arbitrum 1 network, then hit Approve Deposit. You'll need to enable the deposit in MetaMask. Make sure you check all the transaction details before approving. Once enabled, you can go ahead and click Deposit. This will give you another MetaMask prompt to confirm the transaction. Once you click Approve, the deposit will be confirmed. You'll see a success message letting you know your funds are on the way. Click Confirm on the success message. Deposits depend on their respective network's congestion and could take a few minutes at peak times. Now, we'll want to swap our stablecoin on Arbitrum for USDT on Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to swap, and it will swap 1-1 with USDT on Ethereum. We'll swap $20 in our example. Check out the transaction details, noting that this is a gasless swap with no Gasp lockup required. Now, go ahead and switch your network back to Ethereum and click Swap Tokens. Check all the details carefully, then accept the transaction in MetaMask. Once you confirm, you'll see a success message appear to let you know the swap was successful at the top of the screen. Now, you're ready to get Gasp tokens. Click Select Tokens in the Token Swap interface. At the bottom of the token list, there's an orange button which says Get Gasp. Go ahead and click it. You'll now be prompted to swap the USDT on Ethereum that we acquired in the previous step. Remember, there's a limit to the amount of Gasp you can buy with this method during the alpha phase, but there's no limit on how many times you can repeat buys. We can see that this is a gasless swap, and it doesn't require a Gasp lockup. Click Get Gasp and approve the transaction. After a few short moments, you'll see a new success message appear at the top of the screen confirming your Gasp buy. Congratulations, you're now a Gasp holder. You'll see your balance has increased in your Gasp wallet. And that's it. Welcome to Gasp and enjoy your alpha phase rewards. Catch our next video for how to make swaps and create pools.